Open the cover. Disassemble the cutter buffer assembly filament break detection module. Unscrew to screws. Disassemble the feed port assembly. Unscrew for screws. Remove the old feed inlet assembly. Install the new feed inlet assembly. Tighten the screws. Install the cutter buffer assembly filament break detection module. Tighten to screws. Close the cover.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.